Smoke behind the only gate. Two shadows wait to seal my fate. One sees the lies, the other grace. They watch me step into this place. Red cloth tied, my vision bends. Breath grows thin as the path descends. I leave the names of the living behind. Standing now with two gates aligned. The first gate hums with ancient sound. The second floats with no true ground. They watch my steps, they read my will. No lie survives, no heart stands still. I didn't come to steal or take. I came for a soul that slipped away. Between these gates the balance sways. One wrong word and I'm turned away. Oh, nyiaj, with weight, that's why I cross beyond my fate. The second listen, silent cold, measuring truth, measuring soul. They don't want gold, they don't want flame. They ask if I know the spirit's name. I steady my breath, I bow my head. I walk with truth, not fear or dread. They test my past, they test my role. If I walk for pride or walk for soul, I pay the toll with calm respect. No debt of blood, no false intent. Oh, nyiaj, silence breaks, the gates unlock. The air folds in with a spirit shock. The watchers vanish, I step too slow into a realm where the lost ones go. The ground is mist, the stars don't shine, only echoes of the broken line. I raise my voice, I call, I seek the one who wandered from the peak. My name is fire, my breath is stone. Each step I take, I'm more alone. The path extends, the call is near. I walk the realm where none appear. Oh, nyiaj, the gates behind, the soul ahead. I walk where echoes fear to tread. One voice calls through shifting gray. I follow still into the fray.